Hey there, I'm Kit and welcome to Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona, where we show you the best parts of a board game in a minute. Today we'll be showcasing Darren Ross's creation Red Flags. This one is for 3 or more players and is meant for mature audiences only. Games run anywhere from half an hour long to over an hour depending on the amount of players. Let's dig in. Here's the game. Red Flags, like other games from Darren Ross, is simply a bunch of cards, a la Cards Against Humanity or What Do You Mean? Players have one goal, to set up the single, who changes every turn, with their dream date. To do so, players pick 2 perks, the white cards, out of their hand and play them, ideally while targeting the single's personal preferences and interests. After players each have played 2 perks, players are given a chance to play a red flag, which are unsurprisingly the red cards, on the prospective date to their left. After this follows a round of debate. Players must argue why the single should date their candidate and reject everyone else. The single must imagine they're dating in the long term and must maintain a normal relationship, whatever that means. Once the single has chosen their life partner, the chosen player gets to keep the red flag, which becomes 1 point towards victory. Whoever has the most points at the end of 2 rounds, or however long the group wants to keep playing, is the winner. Red Flags has a lot of potential for expansion, just like other card-centric comedy games. The expansions are packaged by theme, so people can pick up the festive pack or the nerdy pack and so on and so forth, while ignoring expansions that don't particularly excite them. And that's it! Red Flags is a simple, if not offensively hilarious card game. I don't recommend it for the younger members of your family or your grandparents unless they also like to chuckle about farts and questionable familial relationships, but this is the perfect game for a friendly round of drinks or a casual party. If you enjoyed and were not offended by games like Cards Against Humanity and Pitchstorm, and if you got friends who like to argue, Red Flags will deliver a night of fun for your gaming group. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more Breakneck Games powered by Comex Scona. Stay saucy, singles!